What's going on, music producers? I'm Kobe with Sample Source, back with another video. If you don't know who I am already, I am a platinum selling music producer who's worked with big artists like Rod Wave, K-Camp, YFN Lucci, Rotimi, and many more. And I've been full-time for over 4 years. So what I'm more proud of is the fact that I've helped 9 producers to make over $2,000 a month using my method. And I do one-on-one coaching, but in today's video for free, I'm going to show you how to solve the biggest single constraint in your business or side hustle right now, which is finding serious artists that are willing to shell out hard-earned cash and buy your beats. So I'm going to show you this. It's an entirely free process. All you need is YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify. And before we hop in, if you want to know the 6 exact ways that I find artists entirely for free, you can DM me the word artist on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, and I'll send you over a free course, and it's going to walk you through each one entirely for free. So DM me the word artist on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, and I'll send that right over to you. Okay, so we have Instagram pulled up and we have YouTube pulled up. So the first thing that we want to do, if you don't already have a good producer to find artists from on Instagram, is to head over to YouTube and type in your niche. So for me, that's going to be Summer Walker type beats. So I'm going to type that in, and we'll try to find a big producer in this niche. So Nas is good. I've worked with all of these producers here since I'm in the R&B niche. So we'll go and click on one of their videos and then try to find their Instagram. So Nas Beats is there, and then if we scroll down, we see it here too. Click on Instagram and head over to their profile, click on their followers, and then type the word official in here so that we can find some serious artists quickly. So let's start clicking these tabs out. It looks like we have some good looks already. So he's a pretty decent look, kind of branded a little bit. And then you can see she's in the studio a little bit as well. So we're going to click the link tree. All we need to do is get onto Spotify. Once we're on to Spotify, number one thing we want to do is highlight over their song. Click these 3 dots, go to song radio. Once you're on the song's radio, we have some really good looks. So you're going to click on all of these names and gauge whether it's a big artist or an independent artist. So Lee has almost 400,000 monthly listeners. Anything over 50,000 monthly listeners, I'll go ahead and skip. Adia is pretty close to that actually. So I'll go and show you, but she's probably too big for us. But we go down to about, click on that, scroll down to the bottom, you see Instagram. Once you're on her IG profile, we're looking for somebody between 500 and 10,000 followers. Since she's above that, we're not going to use her. So we're going to X out of that, and we're going to go back. So we were on Adia, so now we're going to go to Post Oak. He's under 50,000 monthly listeners, so we'll scroll to the bottom, click on About, scroll to the bottom, click on Instagram. So I'll continue to go faster and faster with this as we continue on, just because you get proficient at it. So you can see that he is a good look for us. He's showing his face. He's linking his music. He's got good monthly listeners. It would be nice if he was putting out content to show that he's more engaged, but he probably has money to run ads unless he has connections to push this and actually get monthly listeners. So he probably invests in music. Let's go and find another one. So Ashley, over 400,000 or over 50,000. So let's not do that. Danny Lay is a major artist, over 2 million monthly listeners. Mazel Tov, 8,000 monthly listeners. So they fit the bill. Let's go and click on them and see what's up with their profile. Okay, so not the best. This is not somebody that I would hit up. So we'll X out, go back. Got Alpha. And so she is the example of somebody who would be ideal. She's got a very professionally branded profile, but she doesn't have the major marketing plan that a lot of these big artists do. Now let's go down to About, scroll down to Instagram. And that's exactly what I expected. So she has in between 500 and 10,000 followers. She's professionally branded. We see a photo shoot here, photos here that she paid for, album artwork she paid for, cover art that she paid for, videographer here. So this is all of the signs of somebody that invests in their work. So when you see this, you'll start to realize that you don't have to make it hard on yourself to sell beats. You just have to find people who are qualified. So hopefully that explained how you can go from A to Z, find your first artist, and start messaging really serious qualified artists today. And if you know me and you know my method, you know that I don't sell cheap stuff and I don't sell stuff in the DM. So what I do is I find the artist, I message them 6 to 12 DMs, then I get them onto a 30-minute Instagram audio call where I get them to know, like, and trust me before I ask them to hop on Zoom. And so once they say they want to hop on Zoom, I'll send them over a form, and that way they show up to that call financially qualified. They say they'll put money down at the end of the call if everything sounds good. So the reason why I want to do it this way is so that I can charge big numbers like $250, $500, or $1,000. And this is exactly what Marvin has done in my program. And he has sold 2 $1,000 packages using my exact approach. So if you want to learn more about how to do this and you're like, hey, I would like one-on-one help to do so, then I have taught 9 producers how to make over $2,000 a month, in between $2,000 and $4,000. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, and you're like, hey, would this program work for my specific business and my needs? Then you can book a call, click the link in the description or the pinned comment, and you can book that call with me. I'll do a free business audit and see if my program will fit for you or not, and we can take it from there. So click the link in the description and book a call to speak with me today. And if you want that free course with that outlines the 6 free ways that I find artists, then make sure that you DM me artists on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you got a lot of value out of it, and I will see you in the next one.